Yeah, I was telling you.
Now we're installing a medium shade film. So the glass to the right here, this is our light film, and then the one that we're installing currently is our medium shade. Mainly the difference is just the shade of the film. It's a little bit darker, the one here to your left. It's going to keep out a little bit more heat as well as more glare. So this one that we're installing currently is going to keep out about 70% of the heat and 70% of the glare and 99% of the ultraviolet rays. The film to your right will keep out about 55% of the heat, 46% of the glare, and 99% of the ultraviolet rays. And we're currently installing in Boynton Beach in Florida. And John Barnes Window Tinting always uses high quality film. And we always offer free estimates. And we'll be back to show you the dark film in just a minute.